Good morning, everybody. Class 8. Today, our subject is GK, General Knowledge, and our chapter 26, Business Trichomes. Number 1. His entrepreneurial career got motion by selling Bagios to pilgrims over weekends by crying forward this job. He grew so high over years that he got the confidence of building India's largest private sector company, Reliance Industries. Answer: Dhirubhai Ambani. Dhirubhai Ambani. Number 2. An Indian business tycoons and philanthropist most commonly referred as the Bill Gates of India. Many people had questioned on its capabilities of leadership, but he took Wipro to the gate highest and facilities it with world-class IT and BPO service. Answer: Azim Ali. Number 3. He is the founder of HCL and has made his name in the information technology department. He has founded a charity that aims to support the education of children all across the country. He was awarded with the Padma Bhushan Award in 2008. Answer: Siva Nadar. Siva Nadar. Number 4. This Indian billionaire is the founder of Sun Pharmaceutical Industry Limited. He is a self-made billionaire who has helped his company attain his current heights, which hardly any other pharmaceutical company in India has been able to achieve. Answer: Dilip Sanghvi. Dilip Sanghvi. Dilip Sanghvi. Number 5. He is popularly known as the Steel King of India and is based outside in United Kingdom. He serves as the CEO and chairman of ArcelorMittal, which is one of the largest steel making companies in the world. Answer: Lakshmi Mittal. Number 6. He is the honor. He is the owner of Forbes Textile and Eureka Forbes Limited, while he gave up his Indian citizenship for an Irish citizenship in 2003, but he still continues to contribute towards the betterment of the country. Answer: Palan Mistry. Next, popular TV show. Chapter 28, Popular TV show. India's longest running television show hosted by truly iconic Rajat Sharma. Since its inception in 1993, it has seen personalities ranging from top politicians and spiritual gods being grilled on the small screen by its host in his own imitable way. Answer: आपकी अदालत. Answer: आपकी अदालत. Next, this is so follows the Big Brother format, which was first developed by Endemol in the Netherlands. A number of contents known as housemates live in purpose-built house and are isolated from the rest of the world. Answer: Big Boss. Next, the show is an investigative series consisting of criminal cases that are solved by the Crime Investigation Department. It got its place in the Guinness Book of World Records on 7th November 2004 for its record breaking single shot episode of 111 minutes without a cut. Answer CID. Next, it is the Indian version of the Pop Idol format that airs on Sony Entertainment Television since 2004. It is a musical talent hunt show. Answer Indian Idol. Number 5. It is a talk show hosted by film producer and director Karan Johar. The show is noted for its face and witty appeal. The show also has its share of controversies and hence bring great TRPs. Answer Coffee with Karan. Coffee with Karan. Next, it is an Indian stunt reality show based on the American program Fear Factor. The series was first launched on Sony TV in 2006, where it received a great response from the viewers. Answer खतरे की खिलाड़ी. Okay, thanks.